Hey guys, welcome back to the channel once again. A brand new video for you. This time I have the Nike Air Foamposites. These are very hard to find. Let's look at the back of this here. That's how it looks like. And on the side of the sneaker it says no step. In the front we have the Nike red logo. On the side it says danger. I don't know if you can see, it says danger. In the front we have the lightning sign, and then penny #1. This is how the back looks like, the bottom of the sneaker. This was the right pair and this is the left side. It's practically the same thing. It says no step here, and same thing on the back. I like the camouflage, design on this sneaker. Very unique style of sneaker this is. And in the box it also came with these dog tags. The dog tags are just pretty simple. #1 penny. If you remember this guy Anthony Hardaway, who used to play for Orlando Magic back in the days, and that's what it says on there. Look, Anthony Hardaway #1. I think that's his 1971, Memphis, Tennessee, Nike Foamposite 1. And the retail price, I still have the sticker on the back, is, let me see if you can see, focus on this, $235. And this is how the front of the box look like. This is what it says here: red, black, hyper red, dark gray, white.